The 2013 Chevrolet Camaro SSL 727 Speedster. We have seen all kinds of crazy stuff at this year's SEMA Show, but this Camaro SSL 727 Speedster just may take the cake. As you likely already know, the SEMA Show is all about taking tuning to the extreme, and it looks like the folks from the custom shop in Flanagan, Illinois did more than an extreme job with this Camaro. Called the SSL 727 Speedster, this 2011 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe has no roof and comes with an over-the-top wide-body kit that looks like it is straight from the pages of a comic book. Whether you like this Camaro SS or not is a matter of taste, so we'll just let you, the readers, judge this one. Fortunately, the tuner didn't just slap on this wild wide-body kit and call it a day. It also installed a $17,500 Procharger LSX376 crate engine, giving the Camaro a 6.2-liter, supercharged V8 engine that delivers a hulking 630 horsepower, which is a huge hike over the Camaro SS standard 422 horsepower. Click past the jump to read more about the Chevrolet Camaro SSL 727 Speedster. Chevrolet Camaro SSL 727 Speedster. Side detail. The extreme body kit includes new front and rear bumpers, extreme side sills and a new deck spoiler that completely transforms the look of the Camaro. The hood also gets a huge scoop so that the V8 engine breathes better. Rear 3/4 detail. The car rides on 22-inch, Forgeline ZX3P wheels and features a cool custom paint job that combines various shades of blue and gray with some graphics that attract viewers' attention. Interior detail. The interior is just as nuts as the exterior. The custom shop definitely went all out on this one.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.